guys, welcome back, and watch the first video of freezing sour slime. Yeah, it's frozen now. It's like a gooey slime when I feel it in. Look, I'll show you guys. Yeah, there we go. Oh, if this stains the cup, I'm gonna be so in trouble. I'm gonna go get a spoon. Guys, I am so scared that this might stain the cup. I'll get it. Okay, we're back. Got a spoon. Ooh. Oh my gosh. Comment down. Well, if you can comment if I should eat this. Oh, it's cold and still a little bit sour. Dang. Oh, yeah, that's a big scoop, guys. Oh my gosh. I don't know if I should eat it. What if it sticks to my tongue? I'm gonna try to get all of it. What the heck? My camera just went dark. Okay, here's a big old scoop. Oh, it's sour. Ooh, it's dripping. Oh gosh. Can I use my finger? It's like slime, bro. It's like frozen. I don't think it's gonna freeze like solid. Oh my gosh, it's getting on the outside of the cup. Okay. Oh, that does not taste good. I don't know if I should do more stuff with this, warm it up, and oh, by the way, okay, yeah, it's sour, very sour. Okay, that's gonna be the end of the video. Bye.